In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter a purchase made on your business credit card so your expenses are categorized correctly and your card balance reflects what you owe. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to your homepage. From there, move your mouse to the Create or New button you'll find near the top left of the screen. This opens a menu of common transactions. Choose Expense. An expense form will appear, and this is where you'll enter the details of the purchase you made with your credit card. Begin with the Payee field. Select the vendor or person you paid. Getting the payee right helps your reports and vendor history stay accurate, and it makes reconciling easier later on. Next, look for the Payment Account. Click that field and choose your credit card account, such as your business MasterCard or whichever card you used. This step is critical. Selecting the correct credit card ensures the expense hits the card's register and increases the balance you'll later pay off. While you're here, confirm the payment date matches the actual date of the charge on your credit card. Now, head to the Category Details section. In the Category column, choose the appropriate expense account that best describes the purchase, like office supplies, software, travel, or meals. On the same line, you can add a concise description that explains what the charge was for, such as the product, service, or purpose of the expense. Enter the amount for that line. If the purchase needs to be split across multiple categories, simply add another line and repeat the process so your reporting stays precise. Take a quick moment to review everything on the form. Double-check the payee, the credit card account you selected, the date, the category, and the amount. Clear, accurate descriptions will help you or your accountant later when reviewing the register or preparing taxes. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the expense, categorize it to the account you selected, and post it to your credit card register. That means your expense totals are up to date. And your credit card liability reflects the new charge. Ya boz. Ready to be reconciled with your statement or paid off when due. That's all it takes to record credit card payments in QuickBooks. Following this flow each time keeps your books clean, your reports meaningful, and your card balance accurate. Thanks for watching, and keep your records consistent by repeating these steps for each credit card transaction.